Hi, it's Kathleen, and today I'm going to try my darn tootnest to recreate designer clothing items with thrifted clothing. The focus of my affection, the LOEWE and Spirited Away collaboration. You know what comes next, to the thrift store. Oh, but real quick, before we go, stick around to the end of the video for a very special giveaway. Okay, let's go. All right, if you haven't heard of the LOEWE and Spirited Away collaboration, here's a quick visual overview. LOEWE is really well known for their structured bags, so we'll definitely be tackling a purse thrift flip. This half moon design featuring no face is cute, and if we can find the right shape, we will be in business. However, if we can't find the right silhouette, I have this handy dandy cheat sheet that I made of other items in the collaboration to look for. Okay, let the hunt begin. Okay, this isn't a purse, but I kind of want it. Alright, now let's search for our second victim. This Chihiro hand-embroidered sweater was the original item that caught my attention in this collaboration, so I'd really love to find a cozy white turtleneck. Let's see if we can get lucky. I'm back. I think we found what we need. So, let me show you what I got. Thank the thrift gods, but we found the half moon purse, and I think it's going to be perfect for the no face bag. In case it doesn't work out, I have these two wallets as a backup. And as for the sweater, that was way more difficult since most of the stores have their spring inventory out. However, my luck was strong and I stumbled across a vintage sweater after digging through the men's section. Hallelujah! So, let's get started with the first thrift flip, which is the Kaonashi mini heel bag. For this flip, I'm going to be using paint that is meant for textile surfaces like leather. I think it's intended for cosplay, which I mean, this could technically be cosplay. Maybe? Is Ghibli bounding a thing? If not, it is now. Anyways, this should be suitable for the faux leather surface without flaking off. Okay, first things first, let's get this bag ready for painting. So this is the only bag that I found in my search that had that half moon shape, so I consider myself pretty lucky to have even found it at all. But clearly, it's not perfect. The actual LOEWE bag is just smooth leather. This has kind of like a laser cut detail, and quite frankly, 'tis not the vibe. So I thought, let's just chop it off. You know what I mean? What's the worst that could happen? So I've got my trusty fabric scissors, and let's just cut it off as cleanly as we can. And maybe I'll use like a seam ripper to get rid of this, but I don't have one, so forget I said that. Steady, lads. Steady. Boom. That's honestly kind of a cool detail. I improvised with these, and a couple minutes later, call me Cat the Ripper. Now it's time to actually do the dang thing and paint No Face's face. There he is, our very own faceless wonder. If I were doing my own design, I could just freehand it, but since we are trying to copy something pretty closely, I want it to be as exact as possible. Basically, I'm going to take my large shape, outline it with ink of some sort, then I'm gonna cut out the details and trace within my template. Hopefully that gives us a good place to start, but who knows? Let's find out together. Looks good, and we are done, and I have no idea if you can see that. Now onto the Chihiro sweater. All you need for this flip is your chosen garment, some embroidery floss, and a needle. I really wanted to get fancy and use one of the hand embroidery tools that I have, but since the fabric has some stretch, a simple needle and thread ended up being the most simple solution this time around. Now I got fancy with some wash away stabilizing paper since I'm trying to recreate the Chihiro embroidery with as much fidelity as possible. This stuff is cool. I printed out my design, pinned it in position, and off I go with a classic running stitch. Good morning. I don't think it's going to take very long. Were those famous last words? Not gonna lie, bestie, I thought I was flying a little bit close to the sun trying to recreate designer items, but these turned out sick. I love both the items I made, but I'm especially stoked about the Chihiro sweater because this was the item that sparked it all. When I saw it on the LOEWE website, I was like, yeah, I could do that, and then I did the dang thing. I think the hardest part about creating this item was just finding the sweater. Once I got my grubby little mitts on a sweater, it was just bada bing bong. We've got a cool embroidery. Not to mention that this sweater cost me all of $10 and the original sweater was $1,700. Whoa. All right, for the moment you've all been waiting for, time for the giveaway. I've got good news and I've got bad news, so I'm gonna give you the bad news first. While I was planning this video before I even went thrifting, I was always planning to give away the Half Moon No Face purse once I completed it. However, once I got the actual purse home from the thrift store, I realized that it kind of stank, like real bad, like cigarettes. Yikes, I definitely do not want to foist a stanky bag onto anyone, especially my lovely subscribers. So, here's the good news. I made another one. I actually love this tote more than the original Half Moon purse that I made. It's got a great pebbled leather texture, has so much room, you could probably even fit a laptop in here if you really tried. So if you'd like to win this lovely no face hand painted tote, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and then comment down below your favorite Ghibli character. Mine is a tie between Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service and San from Princess Mononoke. If you don't have a favorite character or you've never seen a Ghibli film, don't worry, although you should probably watch. Just comment, "This is my giveaway entry," and then I'll know that it's your giveaway entry. I'll pick a random winner in 1 week, and whoever wins it, I just really hope you love it. What a fun video. Let me know down below if there's any other designer items or not that you'd like to see me try to recreate with thrifted items. And I will see you next week for another Thrift with me. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like, and until next time, I love you, you giant baby you. Okay, bye!